Can my wife remove single barrel Weber type of carb from this car and replace it with brand new one? Of course she can. That's why we are heading to Kruševac this evening, to the hometown of Zastava, to buy brand new shiny carb we managed to track down. It's not easy to find new parts for Zastava anymore, and this particular Zastava haven't seen brand new part since, well, she was new. My job for this part will be to deal with some other not so brand new parts we found. Speedometer, Revmeter and new set of rims.
Majstor kad ga ono pravi to nema da puca u državu jedini ume šasiju da prekuca pa za malo kao mator da zbog toga leži zatvor za motor je vele majstor i doktor za karburator.
You can still go, even when you feel slow, you can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
Okay guys, you remember this carb, right? We slapped it down from God knows where, and it was running rough, and the whole Zastava is running rough. I think this engine is basically done, but I still need it. Before the engine swap I need to pass MOT with this car, so the easiest solution is to put modificator into the engine and put some proper carb on top of it. This is so new and so shiny, it's almost scary. It's beautiful. It's single barrel carb, it's Zastava basic carb, but still it's so beautiful. And you know what? My dear lovely wife will be doing swap this night. New garage, new rules. My wife is promoted to primary mechanic position, so you know what? Let's go to work.
I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
and we need to fix this throttle cable. This is, well, I don't know why I still use this. I'm lazy, that's why. And I don't have other throttle cable. And even if I had, you know, there is other end of the cable, which means you need to replace it in the cabin also, so too much work.
Change, you can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, y'all still go. Go, go slow, y'all still go. Go, there's no hope, y'all still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing.
So, thinking here by Fiat and later Zastava was then, when you have a carb, spillage will be more than likely. So, this tray is there to hold anything that spills, but mostly petrol, because you have very hot engine and petrol, and that's just very good if you want to start a fire. Elsewhere it's not very good. So the basic rule when you swap anything on your car, what you take down last, you put on first. So let's go on with the bolts. it is very, very important to tighten the carb body properly, because you know the whole function of the carb is to make proper mixture of the air and petrol, and if you have air leaking in the engine somewhere, the mixture won't be right and the engine won't run properly and the consequences will be there. So take your time and do it properly.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
This is a very bad idea. Very, very bad idea. Not funny. Good idea. Okay. Crisis avoided. Petrol. We need to prime the carb. It's a new carb, so it's empty basically. The seat is moldy and well, if I don't have, I won't sit in here. And I really wanna see new carb in operation. Op, 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 op. Wow. Cold start for Zastava. This is perfect. This is perfect. Wow. Okay. you know what? This is very safe, you know, just to play with the bolts and nuts around the open car. We don't need this now, it's just making rattling sound. And disregard the smoke here, this is just spillage. In new cars, this is electronically, you know, controlled. In old cars, you have, manual cold start, regulator or choke. I opened it up too soon. But this is great. Okay, now we definitely need to put some modificator in the engine because it can run a few more months, which is exactly what we need basically. We need this little engine to run for a few more months, please. I want to check the oil. Nah. Shut it down. It's spattering too much. And the oil is great, so it's not too late to put some modificator inside. I didn't do it because we plan to change this engine and Modificator Plus is not cheap, so but now we kinda don't have choice but to do it. And this is still mess. We had a chance to sort the cables out, but we didn't. So I found new old gauges for Zastava. As you remember, Revmeter and Speedometer, well, they were not good, so I'm anxious to see what we got this time. Again, they're from Lada. Are you kidding me, no? Thank you. Like a kid opening Christmas present. Ah, nice. Wait for it. Ta-da! Okay, now let me check it out. They are nice. No Russian writing. Decent shape. I really hope they work. See? Only red line is wrong for Zastava, but we use Revmeter just because it's cool. We don't need it actually. Well, I'm not sure. I think I had orange pointers last time. Orange ones are nicer ones, but it is what it is. That's only bad thing about new gauges so far. I really hope they work. Checking out soon. These are steel rims. I bought them because they were cheap and I really like them, but really. Usually it's very rare I like steel rims, but there is something regarding this particular design that was amazing to me. And of course, my wife hates them. So they fit for most of our cars, Delta, Libra, Zastava, and guess what? We won't be using this set on Delta ever, according to my wife. Oops. Well, I hope they're in better shape. This is... I have job cut out for me here. Damn it. I need to use steel brush here and I need to paint them fully. I was hoping the inside is good looking as outside. Outside is decent. You can see 15s, ET35, 98. These are standard Fiat rims, but I'm just surprised how rusty they're inside. It's not structural damage, but there is work to be done. So yeah, but still, I really like them. I want to check them against the Zastava. Well, that's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. I like them. Yeah, I do. Okay, so let's check the other ones. Let's see other two. I don't like the smell. They were on the rain for a couple of days and you can see moisture got inside this. Yeah, they're all the same. Lip is looking good. They're not too banged. Few little chips and rolls, but steel wheels are just more robust and they can just keep up with beating. Okay.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
saw it, you heard it, it's still rough. Carb is tuned, I'll check spark plugs, we'll use nanotechnology in the engine again, but the fact is this is dying engine, and the fact is also that we need it to run better than this for a few more months, so it will be interesting. Till next Monday.